or like a,
Operating
what is
system,
the
like,
okay, what is the OS version they are using, like that. Okay,
yes,
that's
sir.
how the scanning is working. Okay, so this is the first thing.
Sir,
So
your screen is not visible, sir.
I haven't shared. Okay, I haven't shared. So my machine is just coming up only. Okay, so I will share screen soon. And we say about various type of flags. So why do we use flags? Why do we use flags? Flags in TCP communications.
TCP communication flag.
Yeah. What's the purpose of the flag?
Sir, for different purposes like connection request, acknowledgement, reset.
Urgent, push, and finish.
Synchronization.
Okay, so understand one thing. So whenever actually a flag is used, means it's actually used for representing a situations. Okay, so here in the case of TCP flags, these flags are used to represent various kind of communication things. Suppose like whenever a device need a kind of services, suppose a device need a kind of services, what they will do? First, what's the first flag they are going to send?
Come again, sir.
Suppose a device need, suppose your machine need a service from a machine, another machine from a server. So
Okay.
what's the first flag they are going to send?
Synchronize.
Synchronization.
Yeah, they are going to send sync flag. Okay.
Yes.
So while sending sync flag,
To getting
what's
the
the meaning
commercial
of?
connection request.
It's sending a connection request.
Yeah, it's a connection request. So upon receiving the sync flag, what can be the response of if the port is open? So how many ports are there?
Yes, sir.
How many ports are there?
65535.
Yes, sir.
535.
Yeah,
65,
65,535.
535.
5,555.
Okay,
535.
that's right. Suppose a machine need a suppose if you are getting, if a port is open, what is the response of a server?
Server send
Acknowledgement.
synchronize and acknowledgement.
The
Acknowledgement.
server will send sync plus acknowledgement. So what is
yes.
ACK means?
Acknowledgement.
Management.
Yeah, ACK means
Acknowledgement packet.
That
Yeah,
means
acknowledgement.
port is open.
Yeah.
Acknowledgement
So
received
means
by
that the
server
port is open. Yeah.
for particular packet.
Yeah. And also, so which are the flags you have studied yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Which are the flags you have studied yesterday?
Your voice is not clear, sir. That's why I.
So which are the different types of flags you have studied yesterday?
Rest,
Okay, okay, sir.
urgent, push.
There
Finish.
are TCP
Ah.
communication
Reset,
flag are
pin,
sync,
push.
acknowledgement, rest and
Acknowledgement.
urgent.
Okay, first of all, we studied the sync flag, ACK.
Sync.
Yeah, so what is RST means?
Reset.
Reset.
Reset the information.
Reset, yeah,
Reset.
reset flags. So what is meant by reset flag? Why do we use reset?
Reset is used to reset the connection settings to get the
And
default mode,
Basic.
Okay,
And go back to the basic.
basic
reset
settings.
flag is used to
Yes,
use
sir.
the. Okay, so reset flag is used to actually reset the connection. Okay, to the basic
Reset.
stage. And then after we have used the finish flag. What's use the finish flag?
Nothing is
That means the
Flag used to
transmission has-
finish the transactions.
all the process
transmissions.
has completed.
Okay, finish flag is used for just completing the transaction. Okay, so once a transaction is started, by finish flag we can stop it. Okay. Then after URG, what's URG means?
Urgent request.
Yeah, so it should be given more priority. Right?
Prioritize. Yes, sir.
Okay, then after PSH, what was PSH means?
Push flag.
Push.
Okay,
Flag.
push means what? Push flag means what?
Send all buffer data immediately.
Yeah.
Okay, so clear. So send all buffer data. So what's the buffer means? What's the buffer means?
If the server is sending lots of information in yes.
Okay, actually understand one thing.
Some
So buffer is a
temporary
temporary
data.
storage. Yeah, temporary storage. Okay. One second, some people are joining. And also we have studied about the some flags we have studied yesterday. Some flags we have studied yesterday. Which was the flags we have studied yesterday? Flags. So it's not flags, the scanning techniques. Just scanning techniques you have studied scanning techniques.
Xmas, sir.
Okay, Xmas scan was there. So which was the first one we have studied? What was the first one we have studied?
Three-way.
Yeah, so the, full open scan, or we can say it as TCP connect scan. Okay,
Mhm.
so what is TCP connect scan?
If the hacker is sending a synchronization request to the server is getting back with the synchronization plus acknowledgement.
Okay, so understand one thing. So it means that suppose a three-way handshake is completed. So three-way handshake include which all flags communication?
Rest.
Tell me which all flags is there?
Sync
In
and
the-
acknowledgement.
First synchronization, then acknowledgement, then acknowledgement, then correction will be started.
After
Yeah,
receipt,
first of all, single flag is been sent. Then single plus ACK is been sent. Then
Then
received.
acknowledgement. Then acknowledgement
Yeah,
once again.
yeah.
after that
So-
reset.
so
Then
what
the
is specialty
correction
of
will be
three-way?
established.
Yeah. Okay, what specialty of this one? The full open scan. What is specialty of full open scan? Tell me,
Hacker
what
is
is
getting
the
hacker is getting proper response from server in full scanning.
okay? So understand in the case of full open scan, attacker is sending like a full response. So like yeah, first of all, sync is sent, sync plus ACK is been received, ACK is been sent. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So then what was half open scan means?
Only two-way.
Okay, so only two-way handshake is there. So like
Yes,
first
sir.
of all, sync is sent, single plus ACK.
Yes,
Then
sir.
after RST is given. Okay. On the case of Xmas scan,
Yes, sir.
what in the case of Xmas scan?
It sends finish plus urgent plus push.
Okay, finish plus urgent plus your
Push.
yeah. So yeah, push is the flags used.
Yes.
So server got confused when it's open and there will be no response.
Okay, so
But if
can anyone share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Let me share it.
Who is going to? Okay, one second. So
Rajnikant,
I will show the tools and all.
I'm sharing, sir. I'm sharing.
Okay. So I have registered my virtual machine.
Hello. Yes, I'm sharing, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Just a moment. Please allow me to share.
Okay. So I will enable you. Okay, it's enabled.
Just a moment. Doing that, sir. It's still not let me to share.
Okay, one second. So App Store. Okay, now try again.
Doing. Yes, it's fine. I shared. I'm opening the virtual machine.
Okay.
इसको plug करना plug करना। So I have to log in with the root user, sir, or
Yeah, so login as root.
Root user.
no logged in? Yes, sir, logged in now. Sir, what next?
Okay, so open the terminal again. Open terminal.
Done, sir.
Okay, so inside that type nmap.
And
Type nmap. No space.
yes,
No.
yes, sir. Yes, please.
No space. Press enter. So you can see this is a tool for scanning. Okay, nmap is a tool. Nmap means that a network map. Please note everyone. Nmap means that a network map.
Hold on, sir. Writing down, sir.
Okay.
Repeat, sir. Nmap is means
Network map.
यार पंखा स्लो कर दे यार, पंखा स्लो कर दे यार, आवाज नहीं आ रही। स्लो कर दे।
Okay, you can see this is a
Yes, sir.
command from. Okay, you can see there's a website showing example nmap -v -a. Can you see everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
this
sir.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scam.map.org.
Okay, so do you know what it is? Actually, it's a website. It's a website of scanme.nmap.org. This is a website of this nmap. Okay, so here we can study scanning on this particular site. So don't try to scan any company site and all. Okay, so actually when you are scanning, there is issue that sometimes if a website have a low RAM, so actually we are hosting the device in a, suppose we are hosting this corresponding website in a space where the RAM is very low. So if you are scanning, a lot of request is going from your device to the corresponding target. So when this much request
Yes,
is
sir.
coming up, maybe sometimes this machine can be in a hanging state. Are you getting me?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sometimes maybe so when I was trying this one attack early, so I was working with a college site. So actually I just sent some request only. Suddenly the site was unavailable. Okay, for two days I think so it was not available.
sir.
So yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Tell me, I can hear you.
Mute everyone, please.
Mute. Hello.
Okay, sorry. So actually, so like you don't try to scan any site. Okay, so maybe scanning is okay, but actually maybe scanning is very not an attack at all. So, but still there's an issue that if you are scanning any government sites, and suppose if the government site is down, so they will check like who attacked it. So you are trying to scan only, but actually they will feel like you attack and you deny the service of the site. So maybe you will be in trouble. So don't try to
Yes, sir.
scan like that. So you can study on this one. Okay, you can study on this target scanme.nma.org. This is a site we can study. Okay, everyone clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one second, please. Suppose who is sharing? Rajini is sharing, isn't it? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Rajini
Yes, sir.
has to scan this site. So yesterday I told you we can perform full open scan, isn't it?
Yes,
What was
yes, sir.
full open scan?
Full open response is it is three-way communication from the hackers and the servers.
Yeah, so a three-way handshake is there. So first of all, we will
Yes, sir.
attacker is creating three-way handshake to find out about is open or not. Okay, so what was
Yes.
the command? So yesterday everyone
Sync.
have written the commands, isn't it?
Yes, sir. S1Y sync.
Not sync. This is not the command. Check the command, everyone. He asked you to write yesterday.
And maps, sir?
Yeah, nmap command for full open scan. I display table and ask you to write. Check the
Yes,
commands
sir.
and tell me.
Sir, this one.
Yeah, that one. So not that one. Not that one. Yeah, so Bhagyasri said, yeah, minus ST. Okay, so we use the option minus ST for scanning. Okay, you can see minus ST syntax. Okay, minimize the one, minimize that. I will tell you. Minimize that.
Okay.
Go to the Kali next.
Yes, sir.
It's minimized. Yeah. So we are going to scan. So first of all, type nmap.
And map. And map.
Type nmap.
Huh?
Okay. Space.
Space.
What's the
-0.
option for scanning?
Sorry, sir.
What's the option for performing full open scan? What's the
Sir?
option for? Yes, tell me.
Sir, you can share, sir. This guy is confusing with anybody.
No, can you repeat, please?
This guy is confusing in anyone, sir. So you can
so-
share and you are.
Okay. I will share. No, I will share. But before that, I'm just showing only. Okay, so my machine is up. So before that, just do one thing. Just type the command. So minus ST. Okay, so my machine is up. I will share screen. Okay, so just type minus no capital T, minus S small and a capital T. Okay, so this is how we are writing. Okay, so we are using the command nmap, then the option, then the space space, provide a space. Just this website name, scanme.nmap.org. Just provide the name, scanme.nmap.org.
Hello, then enter, sir.
Okay, okay, one second. I was checking my machine. Okay, so yeah, so but just press enter.
Not letting me to enter.
No, just click on that and press enter.
Done, sir.
Yeah, okay. So this now a lot of requests are sending from your machine to the target scanme.nmap.org. So while this response is reaching, so each of the port will check that if the port is open or not. So by response, they will check that if the port is open or not. Then after, they will actually send the port status. Okay, so there is an issue, I think. Okay, so I will do one thing. Okay, so this happens sometimes. Okay, 1 second. So Rajinikanth, you can stop sharing. Let me try.
Done, sir.
Okay. So same step, but actually I think that there's some option is needed. I think. Yeah, sometimes it is happening. They will try. Okay. Okay, the command was nmap. Once again, let me try nmap.
Yes.
Okay, so here scanme.nmap.org is the site. Okay, so I'm just scanning this. I'm copying this one. Nmap minus st. So and also last time we have performed this option called minus t4 and all. Do you remember, everyone? In the case of Dimitri, I think, isn't it? We use minus
Yes,
t4,
sir.
isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here also minus t4 is here. So here, if you look into here, we have a lot of options available. I am zooming. So if there are a lot of options available here. So if you look into here, you can see T0 to T5 set timing templates. Okay. So here, if we use T5, the timing will be very fast. It will be very fast. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if
But
I provide
definitely at every time, sir, every time we'll provide higher time so that it will work very fast.
Yeah, no, actually, in the case of the Dimitri, if you provide T9, that will take a long time. Okay. So here T5 is fast. T5 is providing it's very fast. So but actually we can provide T4 or T5. Okay, so not too fast. It is very aggressive, this one, T4. And then sometimes this minus PN. So when sometimes, okay, let me try with this one. Okay, let me try with this option. If an error is there, we can work with the minus p, and I will show you. So this is the same operation that Rajinikanth have done. But what I'm doing here, I'm just adding a T4 here to perform a high-speed scanning. Okay, everyone, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I didn't put T4, sir. After that,
No,
ST
no,
command.
no worry, no worry. So even if T4 is there, no issue. I'm just trying.
Okay.
If T4 is there, I will take only less time. You can see it's very fast. So here you can see it is 8.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So still I am also getting the same trouble. So in this case, suppose sometimes maybe as filtering is there. Some of the, I mean, the firewall is blocking this one. So in this case, we can use one more option. This option is called a minus PN. It's not a compulsory part. So sometimes when we are getting some error, we use minus PN. So it's for ping scanning. Okay. So just note this one, everyone. So write this command. So this is an option for performing full open scan. Okay, I think everyone know what is full open scan, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Nmap minus st minus pn minus t4. So scanme.nmap.org. So I press enter again. Okay, you can see this. This is the open ports. Can you see the result, everyone? Observe the result, everyone.
What is the Elite and ping echo?
No,
SSH?
can you repeat, please?
And what
Repeat
is
again.
under service that return 4 things?
Yeah, so this is a port. Port number 20 is for SSH port. So like a port number 80 is for HTTP port. So like that, each of the port is for each of the services. Okay, so they are running on, each of service is running on this corresponding ports. Are you getting me, everyone?
What is their meaning?
So
And
what's the
decimal
meaning
port
you're
is
asking?
open this time.
You are asking for services only? Service means that this is the, so I told you already. So what is HTTP means? What is HTTP means?
Web application.
Yeah, it's a service for running the web pages. So SSH means that it's a secure shell. So for like a remote access, we can use SSH. So like that. So this one nping, like pinging only. So Elite. So I haven't checked through Elite. So like that. So each of the service have their own machine, their own service, like FTP. If you go in 20 and 21, there's FTP port. So like that, each of service are running in a port. Okay. So service means that you suppose you have to enable some kind of service. We have to open this port. If the port is closed, you cannot work with any services. Okay. So one message I got. Okay, so Pritham, okay, you are asking for which one? This is the first operation. Okay, so this is the first operation. This is the first one we have done. Nmap. So open a terminal and just type this command for performing full open scan. Are writing, everyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
NF means full scanning.
One second, please.
NF means full scanning, sir.
Nmap minus st. Minus st means that full scanning, full open scan. So the first one we have studied was TCP connect scan or full open scan. So my Nmap minus st. So we call this options as switches. Okay, Nmap switches. So minus
Yes,
st minus ss all are switches. Okay.
Yes, sir. It means a ping. PN means ping, right?
Actually, it's a ping scanning. I will show one thing. So if you have any doubts, you can see all of the options are listed here. So not
Yes,
enough
sir.
by hurting anything. So I will show here. Minus p is here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Treat all hosts as online. Skip host discovery. So we are just scanning only. So we are not going for any kind of other deep scanning. We just check for the port is open or not. Treat all hosts as online. So we are just finding to check that which port is open or open. Okay, that's the only thing. Okay, so what you are seeing here are getting an idea about full open scan, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you haven't seen the flags. I will show the flags also.
Sir, one thing I want to I want to know that you use minus T4 for less time. Yes, sir.
Yeah, minus T4 was used to perform high speed scanning. So
Yes,
if you
sir.
are not providing minus T4, they will take little more time for scan. It will take some time more. Okay.
Sir, is it depend on the internet speed or not?
Yeah, actually that will depend on internet speed also. Okay, that will also depend on your speed.
So okay.
So
Sir. Got
okay,
it, sir.
so please observe, everyone. Here you can see the tool name. What's the tool name?
Wireshark.
Yeah, Wireshark.
For
So
Canline.
this Wireshark is actually a tool for scanning. So, sorry, not for scanning, for analyzing. So, if I enable Wireshark in this machine, I can observe what all requests are going from my machine, what all requests are coming to my machine. I can observe from here. So here we can see I am clicking on this one. So I am selecting the option ETA0. Do you know what is ETA0 means? Anyone have any idea?
Ethernet.
Ethernet. Okay. So you can see I have a wired connection here. So you can see I have a wired connection. So that is Ethernet connection. Okay. So I am selecting this option because I am going to monitor all of the connections coming from my Ethernet port. Are you getting me?
Ethernet.
Okay. So take this one. Okay, so understand everyone. So first of all, I am going to start this one. You can see when we press the green icon, the scanning will be started. Okay. So now I am going to ping again. You can see I am going to scan again using full open scan. So when I press enter, I am going to analyze. You can see, please observe everyone. Can you see the flags going from my machine? Single flag is going. Can you see everyone? Single flag is going. Reset is coming. Can you see?
Yes.
So you can see source. This is my machine IP address. To destination, they are sending this kind of flag, this kind of request. So single request is going. You can see RST is coming. If the port is open, I am getting ACK like that. If the port is closed, we are getting RST as an ACK as a response. Okay, you can see everyone. This is how we are finding that which port is open. This tool is actually analyzing what all traffic is going out. Okay, everyone, can you see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see this is how it is working. Okay, so now we can go for the full open scan. So what's the command for half open scan?
minus ST.
Okay, so first of all, minus ST. So ST is for what purpose? Tell me, why do we use ST?
Scanning means
So now we are going. What's the command for performing half open scan? Tell me, what's the command for performing half open scan? What's the command for performing half open scan?
So in yesterday's table, the half open scans command was not present.
Okay, that was called single scan. It's also called the single scan.
Okay, okay.
So check and tell me.